So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Nacho Cat coin. This is another cat theme meme coin on Casper chain. This is another KRC20 meme coin, just like recently I share you Caspi coin. But this meme coin was the first meme coin launched on Casper chain, so that's why this meme coin can be the next big meme coin. Already you can see friends that $3 million market, but it still says there's no any major saint like listing for this meme coin, but it's definitely possible because it's KRC20 meme coin, Casper chain meme coin. So it's definitely possible that we can see this meme coin in future on Binance Exchange, on Coinbase, and all tier one exchanges. And in the next year, Megaball is also possible that this market cap can be in $1 billion here. This video has been very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. But friends, before that, if you like my content and if you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided you these all my crypto addresses, links in description, and also on my Telegram channel. You have to just join my Telegram channel. You can get these crypto addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel by these cryptos for the next 1000x potential altcoins and meme coins. France Nacho the Cat, Nacho coin has earned $33 million market, but trading volume is low, half there $1 million here. It's because it's still not there's any major cent like listing for this meme coin, but definitely in future we can see 287 billion coin supply all in circulation. This is awesome. This meme coin is very new and it's all supply in circulation. KRC20 meme coin, that's why this meme coin is very unique. You can see friends जिसका board Kathy meme coin on Casper chain, Casper ecosystem meme coin. We are 54% down the install time high. There was a month ago and only 50% up. Okay, then install time low. There was 3 days ago. So performance from this meme coin is still good. It's still normal. Okay, no too much dump or pump here. So it's still maybe we are early here. These are the only three exchanges where this meme coin is listed. I'm already holding on CoinX exchange. CoinX and Bitmart Ascendix is the other exchange where this meme coin is listed. So only three central exchanges has listed this coin, and that's the reason that's why trading volume is very low. Still, there's no MEXC, Get.io, BitGet, Bybit, Cocaine. But friends, I think definitely in few months we can see its listing on all these major central exchanges. And friends, you can check out website that this is the first fair launch meme coin on Casper. The first fair launch meme coin on Casper. So that's why this meme coin is very unique. And maybe in few days or a few weeks, this meme coin can trend here. Major central exchange listing campaign. You can see they are rising almost $50 million fund here. Out of them, they are reach almost 70% here. You can also donate here to get listed on major central exchange. So this is another good thing about this meme coin that they are rising the fund for the central exchange listings here. Get no Nacho. Here you can see you can learn more about this meme coin, the tokenomics, and Casper all details here about this creator and team. And friends, no doubt tokens looking very good and website is looking awesome. All information about this meme coin is on their website. Reference on cash scan. You can check out further details here. That $3.3 million market, as I'll show you, and the trading volume on cash per scan is 853,000 here. On CoinGo, it was half just, and you can see total mint is 100%. This is good. This is its official contract address here. Developed at 158 days ago. This meme coin was created here, and more than 16,000 holders for this meme coin already. So this is awesome, friends. 16,700 holder for this meme coin already. This is awesome. And when I'm clicking here holders, so these are the top holding for this meme coin. You can see friends, Casper. Number one wallet has 7% of supply. Number two has 2% supply. So top 10 wallets holding, I think, nearly 15% of supply. So this is good. There's no any value share, fair launch meme coin, 100% mint is complete. So this total supply is in circulation. And because this is the first ever fair launch meme coin on Casper chain and KRC20 meme coin, huge social community. So that's the reason, that's why friends, I think we can see its listing on major central exchanges soon, just like other Casper ecosystem meme coins are listed on MEX exchange, Get.io, just like Kango, just like Casper, just like Caspi. So this meme coin can be the also next listing for all the major central exchanges, and then definitely in next year mega run. we can see this market cap in $1 billion. I think this is the coin that can be the next 100x meme coin or maybe more. It's also possible that we can see its market cap from just $3 million to maybe $3 billion or maybe $5 billion here. It's right now looking impossible, but friends, in crypto market everything is possible, and it's also possible that Nacho Cat coin can be the next 3 to maybe $5 billion market cap meme coin. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can also comment down below.